This 2019 Newmar Ventana 3717 is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, Slideout, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, water heater, air conditioning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2019 Newmar Ventana 3717 is built on a XC Series chassis and is powered by a Freightliner engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.